Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make your own personal website or personal portfolio website using Canva. Yes, it is completely free and you don't need to you don't need any coding, any design experience, nothing. Just follow along step by step. We are going to use pre-built Canva templates and I will explain every step in simple word. So even if you are completely beginner, you will be able to build your portfolio today. So in this example, so first let's understand what is personal portfolio and why you need it one. So a personal portfolio is your own website where you show your work, your skill, your projects and your experience all in one place. Whether you are a student, designer, developer, writer or just someone who finding job, a portfolio makes you stand out. So instead of just using resume, you will have a full website that shows who you are and what you do and what you can do. And let's make the personal portfolio website. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to come on your browser and search for canva.com and log in or create a free account. Canva is a free design tool that lets you to create website and in a free way. You don't need to install anything, and yes, it is completely beginner friendly. As you can see here, when you sign up, it will see something like this. This is where you can create a blank page, a canvas, just simply create. So they have lots of options, like you can create a whiteboard, presentation, social media, videos. So this tool is all in one. So in the left side, you will get to see this bar where you can see home, projects, templates. So it's like a ribbon of Canva. Now, if you see the main page, here you can see the recent design which you have created. So this is all design which I have created early on. So let's get started. Now search for portfolio website in the search bar. Portfolio website. I think I have entered the wrong spelling. No, it's right. And search it. So there are two ways to create your portfolio website. One is from scratch, and the second one is you can use pre-built templates. Right now I'm using templates, but if you want to create from scratch, what you have to do is just simply click on the create design and search for a website. So just as you can see here in the bottom, you will get to see this website option. Just simply click on that, and in the website, in the third position, you will get to see this portfolio website, and just simply click that. So it will create a blank page. From there you can customize all what you want. So yeah, that was easy. If you want to create scratch, so uh, just simply search portfolio design. So Canva has templates like 2000, as you can see here. Now for example, in the personal way, if I want to use this one, just simply click on that. So and click on the customize this template, so you can customize all of those things which are included in this template. Just simply click on that. It will redirect to a new tab, so it is creating a new tab for you. Now as you can see here, they have lots of pages, and just simply click on the random page, so it will make left side something like this. From design you can search for different templates as well. You can choose styles as well. Now in the elements, you will get to see this elements. From here you can get anything from videos, images, elements, graphics, arrows, what you want, frames. You can get anything which related to your design, you can get from elements. Now if you talk about text, you can add text. Some texts are pre-built, so you can use that too for in your design. In the brands, brand is nothing. There is what a brand is, just brand. If you see upload, in the upload section you will get to see this image and video option, where you can upload your own image and your own videos to just in like you can just upload an image and drag into your design, so you can use it in your design. So yeah, in a tools you will get lots of tools, projects and apps means Canva has some great apps to build anything. So yeah, they are pre-built. So let's get started. um, the first page is your home page. This is what people see first. So click on the name and type your own name, and you have to make sure that your tagline is good. And for example, what I will do, I will change this name. Make sure you spend a little time on home page, because this is the first page the viewer can view, so it creates an impression. So make sure you make it right. And I will give my name Maker. It's just for tutorial. My name is not Maker. Now, hi everyone, my name is Maker and I am a creative marketing assistant. Now, it depends. If you are a student, you can type that, hi, I am then your name, a student and inspiring UIX designer. So I will just put it down, put it that over here. Hi, I am Maker, and or just give a dash, a student and aspiring UX designer. So yeah, this is looks like the page. Now if you want to change this image to something else, what you have to do, just simply click on the delete the image. So it is basically frame, so you just need to delete image. And if you want to put your own image, go into uploads, click on the upload files. From here you can choose your file or image and upload it. After uploading, it will look like something like this, and what you have to do is just simply drag that photo into the frame. So this is just for fun, don't take it seriously. And when you create your own personal portfolio website, what you have to do is just simply make sure you make that portfolio in a serious way. So though it so it looks professional. Now a quick background, you have to give your quick background. Now if you don't want to give a quick background, so what you have to do is just you can replace with your add your work project, you can replace with that text. So I will add a quick background. I am based in, so I will choose I am based in something, your location, my location. I will just add some random stuff here. Now if you work in a company, you can just customize it with that experience. My role is UI. You can change the role, UX designer. So you can customize based on your needs. So as you can see here, if you don't want this page, you can just simply click on the delete section, it will delete. Now here is showcase of my creative work. This is kind of portfolio. Sometimes you have to add your image, or you have to showcase what you built earlier or where you work. For example, if you have created some UI designs, what you can do is just simply add that images into here. To add images, I have already told you that you have to upload file. Just simply click on that and you can upload that. You have to put a screenshot over here, or if you want to give a link, what you have to do is just simply click on the three dots. And so I don't know what is UX. So for example, I have created this website, google.com. So this is not I have created, but for example, you cannot just put images into it. If you want to link something with the image, you can do is just simply click on that image. So make imagine this is a website, and uh, I want to just link the website, real website. So whenever the user just click on this image, it will redirect to that website. So what I will do for doing that, just simply click on the more and click on the link and add that link over here and click on the done. So whenever the user will click on this, it will redirect to google.com. So yeah, that's it. This is good to this is a good way you can show your website, your skill. For example, if you want to add your videos over here, what you can do is just simply click on the videos, and you can click on the upload files and choose your videos and upload it. And after uploading, you can just drag that video into a frame. For example, this is, I think this is a frame. So this is like, yeah. So this is a video. For example, the video is not properly looking at. What you have to do is just go into element, search for the frame, and for example, I will just search for YouTube landscape. They have, so give me a second. So search for the YouTube frame and just drag that frame into the Canva and go into upload, select that video and put it into frame. So as you can see here, it looks great. If you want to add videos into it, now here you have to add, you can give your title of your, like, what you have created, this a short description, like you if you design a mobile UI, you can give a short description about design mobile UI using Figma for startup. So you can do this for 3 to 4 projects, and you can add your work at least 4 times. So three fun fact about yourself. You can just replace it about myself. Just simply click on about me, so it gives the user a basic idea about you. So you can just change it. I don't need to show you how you can change. Just simply double click on the text. You can move this too if you want to reposition it. So yeah, you have to spend a little bit time in the Canva to know how things works. Now if you want to reposition this image, you can do just simply click on the image and put it where you want. So yeah, this is basic where you can customize everything. So in the uh, contact section, what you can do, so they have, you can change over here, come and just change it. And if you have original website where you give the the services of yours, you can add that too. Now if you want to add the link in the text, what you can do is just simply double click on the text and click on the links and just add that website link over here and click on the done. So whenever the user will click, and it will redirect to this website, which is google.com. So you can just add your website as well. Now if you want to add social media, so what you can do is, if you have an Instagram account, just simply click on the Instagram account and click on the more and add your Instagram profile in the link. So go in the Instagram and go to home page, copy that link and paste it over here. So whenever the user click on this Instagram icon, it will redirect to your Instagram page. So yeah, if you want to add button, so like you can add button as well. Go into elements, search for buttons. It Go into graphics, click here. So go in the graphics and uh, search for your needs. It is taking a little bit time. So these are some basic buttons, but it will work. So you can change the color of your button as well. For example, I will choose red to this button or this color. For example, I want to change the click here thing, photo color, and change it to green, I think, or this color may be good, this one. So yeah, you can customize it. Now if you want to add your like if you are want to add your basic packages, what you have to do, just simply create another page. Over here you can add your prices by just entering your elements, and you can link with this and it will redirect to that page. So yeah, now once everything looks good, it's time to publish your website. Now if you want to preview this website, what you have to do is just simply click on the preview. So it will give you the basic understanding how your website will look like after the publish. Just click on the preview. So as you can see here, they have a great animation. So a quick background, your location, my location. So just simply you have to just give your uh, you have to customize this template and put your own ideas into this, so it will make more great. So yeah, that's it. So we have added the link, so whenever we click this link, so it will redirect to the website which we have added link in there. So yeah, that's it. So put in your resume, you can put this website in your resume. And what, and if you want to see in the mobile, you can just simply click on the mobile. So in the mobile it will look like something like this. Now if everything looks good, it's time to publish your website. Now just simply click on this publish website button, and now if you want to include navigation menu, you can do that as well, but right now I don't need that. And if your website URL, for example, if you want to change your website URL, you can do that. Now if you want to see in the publish setting, what you have to do is browser tab preview, and if you want to add a description, you can add that too. Now just simply click on the publish website, so it will prepare your design and publish it. So yeah, just wait few seconds. Now yeah, boom, you have created your personalized portfolio website using Canva. This was very simple. Now this you can put in this link, copy this link and this link. You can put in your own resume, you can share it on your LinkedIn, you can add it to your Instagram bio, or email it to your clients and companies. So that's it. Let me show you the one of just made it. Just copy that link and put it over here. So give me a second, taking a little bit time. So this is a basic preview of the website. As you can see here, if you simply redirect the tab, so we have successfully created a personal website or personal portfolio. As you can see here, the animation looks great. So that's it. Yeah, we have successfully created a website. And yes, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave it. Now in the comment section, if you like this video, then just comment it. And yeah, thanks for watching.